Go on. Got myself a pointer, because unfortunately old Thelma died. This dog's about 15 months old. I've had it about 6 or 7 months now. Done a bit of the basics with it, and we just brought it on here looking for game for the first time. We'll see how we go on. Could be a pheasant or a hare in here with a little bit of luck. Good girl. Come on. Thistle. Thistle. Oh, they come to good sack, could they? See a hare as well. Onto the edge, there's a bit of scent over there anyway. Come on, Thistle! 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 Come on! Go in there. Good girl. No, that's a sunflower. Don't be pointing them, they're no good. Go on, come on. Come on. Might be just old scent, but she's getting the idea. Good girl. Good girl. The pheasants have just lifted from here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Come on then. No, that's a sunflower. No matter how much you smell it, it's a sunflower. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Go on again. Go on, go. Go. And that's where that small bird just got up from, I think. Come here, come on, good girl. Good girl, well done, well done, well done, good girl.